Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to part 3 of class 1 English chapter 2. Okay, so let's start the chapter with a song. The ABC song. Do you guys remember the ABC song? What was that? Yes, let's sing together. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. X Y Z, sugar on bread. Next day morning, come to me. We will learn the ABC. Happy, happy we shall be when we know the ABC. Yes. How was it? Good? Yes, now we will try to write these letters. Q, Qu, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, A, V, W, 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 X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Yes? Okay, so you practice writing these one by one in your notebook. Done? Will you do that? Yes. Okay. Let's move to next section. What is the next section? The next section is let us speak. And what do you need to speak? The letter sounds. Okay. Which is the first letter? Which is the first letter? It's P. P says P. Pencil. Pot. Parrot. Yes? What is the next sound? Q. Q says Qu. Question mark. Quilt. Quill. R says R. Rainbow. Rose. Ring. S. S says S. Spoon. Swan. 7. T says T. 10. Tomato. And table. Yes? Okay. So, can you repeat once again after me? P says P. Pencil. Q says Qu. Question mark. R says R. Rainbow. S says S. Spoon. T says T. Table. Or 10. Yes? So, P, P, pencil, pot, parrot. Q, Qu, question mark, quilt, quill. R, R, rainbow, rose, ring. S, S, spoon, swan, 7. T, T, 10, tomato, and table. Let's move to the next section now. Now, what you need to do in this section, you need to say the words aloud. Circle the picture with different starting sound. What is this? Can you see this? This is fish. This is fox. This is feather. And this is a cap. Cap starts from the sound K. So we will circle it. It's different. F says for fish. F says for fox. F says feather. F says for feather. Yes, now it is the turn of the second one. B. B says B. Bee. B says B, bell. T says T, tomato. B says B, balloon. So, which is the different sound? T says T, tomato. We will circle this here. Now, this is the turn of the third one. This is H says H, hand. A says ant. H says house. H says horse. So this ant is different. We will encircle it. It is the time of fourth one now. What is this? Watch. W says watch. P says pen. P says pot. P says parrot. So, which sound is different? This. W says W. Sound is different. W says watch. Very good. Now, it's playtime now. Hold this page in front of a mirror. Do they look the same in the mirror? You need to do this activity. You take your book and hold this page in front of a mirror and let me know in the comment section below. Do all the alphabets look same in the mirror? Like see, she is doing? Or they look any different? Okay? Yes, you tell me in the comment section. Now, let us move forward to this picture talk. Now let's see what are all of them doing here. Can you tell me? Okay, we'll go one by one. What is this? This is a house. Yes, and what is this girl doing in the house? Yes, this girl is decorating the house. I think some festival is going on. She is decorating the window of the house with a garland of flowers. Yes, she is on the stairs. And this boy over here, he is helping this girl. Maybe they are celebrating something. Yes, and what is this? Yes, what is this? These are clothes on a rope. Yes? I think they have kept the clothes on a rope in order to dry them. Yes? Does your mother also dry your clothes? Or does your father also dry your clothes? Yes. Okay. And what is this person doing? This person and this girl? They are washing or wiping their scooter. Yes. They are getting their scooter ready for the festival. And who is this? This is a cow. She is eating green grass. Do you know? What does a cow eat? A cow eats green grass. Who are they? She is a girl. She is a big girl. And he is a boy. They are helping the cow in feeding. Right? Yes. Oh, can you see? What is this grandmother doing here? Are you able to see? What is she doing? She is making a small baby take bath. Yes, she is helping the baby take a bath. Yes, see, they are both enjoying. Do you know? When we are little, we need someone for all our activities. For taking bath also, we need someone. For to put our clothes also, we need someone's help. And in that case, our parents and grandparents, they support us. Yes? Now, what are they doing here? The mom is combing the hair of her daughter or of this little girl. Yes. They are both are enjoying each other's company. Okay. Now you tell me what is this boy doing here? Can you see this boy? Yes. He's playing with a top, rotating top. It's called lattu in Hindi. He's playing with the lattu top. It goes round and round and round. It rotates very fast. When we remove the string from it, it rotates very fast and it's very nice to see. Do you all know Beyblades? Yes. Do you know them or not? Tell me in the comment section below. So let us answer these questions. Can you identify the family members in this picture? Can you identify the family members in this picture? Okay, we'll see once. We'll try to identify the family members. Okay, so she is, wait a second. Yes, I think he is father. She is mother. She is grandmother. And there are children. Lots of children are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think they are all cousins. They are all brothers and sisters. What do you think? Yes. What are they doing? The next question is, what are they doing? They are celebrating some function, or they are decorating the house and are getting ready for a function or celebration. Yeah, see? Here a baby is also getting ready. He's taking a bath. Here this mom is combing girl's hair. This boy here is playing with a rotating top. This girl here is decorating the window. And see this girl here, she has brought some flowers maybe to decorate it. So this shows that they are decorating the house for some function or activity, right? Right, okay. And let's move to the next question. The next question is, how do you help your family? How do you help your family? Can you tell me? Do you help your mother in arranging the dishes after she washes them or after your help washes them? Yes? Do you help your mother in setting the table for lunch or dinner? Or do you help your father in washing the car or washing the scooty? And do you help your grandparents with anything? Maybe maybe you can bring a glass of water for them? Yes? And maybe they are not able to find their spectacles and they ask you to find their spectacles. Yeah, this all is help only. Now, this is the last question. What did you like the most in this picture? Can you tell me what did you like the most? I will tell you. What did I like the most in this picture? I liked this part the most. I will tell you this part the most. Here, this boy is playing with a rotating top. Yes, I loved this part. Yes, I loved it because I also used to play with this rotating top when I was small. So this incident helped me to remember my things, what I used to play when I was young. Yes, so I like this very much. You can also tell me which thing or what did you like the most in this picture and why? You need to answer why also. For example, you can say, I like this thing. Here, a baby is taking a bath. When I was small, my grandmother also used to give me bath. That's why I like this part the most. Yes, you can say like that. Okay, next, see, wow, this is another amazing picture. Yeah, you need to observe the picture carefully. Okay, and you need to speak about your family members. What are they doing? They are making a rangoli. Yeah, this design on outside our home and on the floor is called rangoli. So maybe the father and this girl, it can be her daughter, they are making a rangoli on the door. And see, this girl here, she is also playing with a rotating top. I love rotating tops. He is grandfather. He is looking at them. Right? And this is a little baby or boy. He's a boy. He is also helping the father and this girl in making the rangoli. Yes? See, these are rangoli colors. You put them on floor to make beautiful patterns on the floor. This is a big door of the house. See, they have decorated this door too with this design in white. They have decorated this window too, right? Okay. Let's move to the next section. What is the next section? The next section is Let Us Sing. Yes, now this is a song. My Family. Are you ready for it? Mother, mother, will you play with me? Yes, I shall. Yes, I shall. We are a family. Father, father, will you eat with me? Yes, I shall. Yes, I shall. We are a family. Brother, sister, will you dance with me? Yes, I shall. Yes, I shall. We are a family. Next is grandmother, grandmother, will you sing with me? Yes, I shall. Yes, I shall. We are a family. Grandfather, grandfather, will you read with me? Yes, I shall. Yes, I shall. We are a family. Yes, now let us read a story about the sparrow family. This is a very nice story of a sparrow family. Can you see here? A sparrow, what is she doing? She is making her nest. And what is this sparrow over here doing? She has brought some, I think, branches or some little bushes to make her nest. This is a wonderful picture. This picture is very lovely. See, can you see here a nest? Yes, and here is also a nest. I think this nest is of different bird. Yes. Okay, are you ready to read this? Let us read. Okay. Mama and Papa Sparrow were making a nest. They found a safe place. The little nest was soon ready. It was soft and warm. So, they are Mama Sparrow and Papa Sparrow. They were making a nest at a safe place. And where is their safe place? On a branch of a tree. And the little nest was soon ready. See here? In this picture, their nest is ready. And the nest was soft and warm. Yes? Now, let us have a look at different sight words. And, they, them. These are TH words. They, them, these, this, that. Okay? Yes. And what are some new words that we learned? Nest, sparrow, egg, grandmother, grandfather, aunt, uncle, cousin, mother, father. Yes? Let's continue our story. Mama Sparrow laid 3 small eggs. One day, the eggs broke open. 3 little heads popped out. Papa Sparrow brought food for them. See here? There are 3 little eggs. And one day, the eggs broke open and 3 little birds have popped out. And he is Papa Sparrow. He bought them some food to eat. Now who will come? Grandmother and grandfather Sparrow, aunt and uncle Sparrow, cousins and friends all came to meet the baby sparrows. Yes, yes, grandmother, grandfather, aunt, uncle, cousins, and friends, all of them came to meet the baby sparrows, the 3 baby sparrows. The baby sparrows grew bigger and bigger. One day, the baby sparrows hopped out of the nest. They flew up into the big blue sky. So what happened one day? The 3 baby sparrows, they popped out from the nest. They hopped out of the nest and they flew up in the big blue sky. Yes? So which names did you learn in this? Now you need to name the family members that you learn in this story. Grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, aunt, uncle, yes, cousins and friends. These are some family members whose name you learn in this chapter, in this story. Okay? And children, do you know that there can be various kind of families? So, if you live just with your parents, so this type of family is called nuclear family. And if you live with your grandparents also, and with your father's brother or with your mother's sister also, this is called a joint family. There are many different types of families, okay? Yes. Now, let us speak. Who are there in your family? Yes, can you tell me who are there in your family? Mother, father. Oh, you have a little brother or little sister too. That's great. Thank you for telling me. And how do you help each other? How do you guys help each other? Okay. Tell me 3 things about this. How do you help your family members? Oh, do you prepare tea for your mother? Yes. Maybe you can say, I help in setting the table. I help in serving the maybe chapatis or dosas. Yes. I help in calling them. For example, if your mother wants something and he calls out your father and he is sitting in another room, then what will you do? You will go to your father and you will say to your father, Papa, Mama is calling you. Please give Mama this thing or please give Mama that thing. Yes, this is also a part of help. And this is also called that you are helping your father and mother. Okay, now tell me, what are the names of your grandparents, both paternal and maternal? So, who are your paternal grandparents? Your paternal grandparents means your father's father and your father's mother, means your dada dadi. Your mother's grandparents means your mother's father and your mother's mother. Yes, can you name them? Nana Nani, Dada Dadi. Which bird do you see around your house? Can you tell me the name of the bird that you see around your home? Is it a parrot or a sparrow? You notice this and tell me. The next question is, if you were the baby sparrow, where would you go flying? This is a very interesting question. If you were the baby sparrow and you just popped out from the egg and you learned how to fly, where would you go to? Will you go to another country? To Europe, to Switzerland, to Dubai? Where will you go? Or will you go to the mountains or to the beaches? Tell me, what do you like more? Mountains, beaches, or other country? Okay. The next question is, what do you think the baby sparrows saw from the sky? So, for example, the baby sparrows are now in the sky. What do you think? The baby sparrows, what are they able to see from the sky? Maybe they are able to see you and your family happy and enjoying together outside having a picnic, right? Or maybe they are able to see many cars moving on roads with a high speed. Yes, depends on the location where they are going. Maybe they are able to see huge ocean, water everywhere. Or maybe they are able to see mountains with snow on them. Yes? Great. Okay. Now you need to tell me, what do you call the following members in your mother tongue? For example, I call my mother Mama and my friend calls my mother Ammi. My another friend calls my mother Mom. What do you call your mom in your language? Okay, Amma. It can be Amma. It can be anything. What do you call your father? I call my father Papa. What do you call? Do you call him Appa? Okay. Elder brother. You know, in one language, in Malayalam, elder brother is called Hausu. Hausu. But in my language, we call him a bhaiya. And what do you call him in your language? Elder sister. Elder sister. We call it Didi here. Grandmother. In my language, I call her Dadi. And I call my grandfather Dadaji. Aunt. Maybe I can call her Bua, Mausi. It depends. And same for uncle. I can call her Fufaji. It's little funny, right? Fufaji. Fufaji or Mausaji. Okay. You also tell me, what do you call all these family members in your language, right? So now, let us draw. Draw a picture of your family in the box given. You may include any interesting thing about your family like pets, plants, trees in your garden or any other thing. You do this yourself and tell me in the next class about what have you drawn. Okay. So, now let us move to the next section. The next section is let us do. Let's see what's this in this section. The word father begins with F sound. Read the following words that begin with F sound. Fox, feather, food, foot, 5, flag. Yes. The word mother begins with M sound. Read the following words that begin with M sound. man, mask, mouse, moon, monkey, mouth. M says ma. So these were the words that begin with M sound. Now read the words in the box. Tick the words that begin with fa and circle the words that begin with ma. Okay? You need to tick the words that begin with fa and circle the words that begin with ma. What is this? Fish. Fa. Tick it. What is this? Mug. We will circle it. Mug. What is this? Map. We will circle it. What is this? Sister. It begins with sa. So, but we need to tick the words that begin with fa and circle the words that begin with ma. But this word here, sister, begins with sa. So we will leave it as it is. We'll neither tick it nor circle it. Fa. Face. Should I tick it? Yes. Ma. Mat. Should I circle it? Yes, I will circle it. Mat. Fa. Fan. Should I tick it? Yes, I will tick it. E-Y-E-I. What does this word begin with? It begins with I. E. Okay. So, it begins with E. E with Y combined, it will give, with E in the end, it gives sound I. So, we will neither circle it nor tick it. What is this? Finger. Finger. We will tick it. Milk. We will circle it. Yes? Good. So, you need to write these words here. Father. Father. Mother. Sister. Brother. Write these words here, okay? Father, mother, sister, brother. Great. Now, let's start with this. This is another picture talk game. Look at the picture of a bathroom. Label the things in it. Do you know what are the different things that are there in the bathroom? What things do you see in the picture? Okay. Yes. Tell me one by one. What is this? Is this a tap? Yes. Tap. T-A-P, tap. T says tap. T-A-P, tap. This is a brush stand. We will write here, I will write the initial sounds here. Tap. This is a brush stand. I will write here B. B says brush. We should brush our teeth. Yes. What is this? This is a mirror. Mirror. What is this? This is a hanger. I will write here hanger. And what is this? This is a shower head. This is called a shower head. I will write here S. Okay? Yes. Do you know what is this? This is a wash basin. I will write here whoa, because wash basin starts from the sound whoa, wash. What is this? This is a wiper. It starts from the sound W. Wiper. What is this? It is a soap case. I will write here S says soap. I will write here S. What is this? This is a bucket. B says bucket. Yes? Okay. What are these here? These are slippers. S says sa. Slippers. What is this? This is a small stool. S says sa. Stool. What is this? This is a mug. M says ma. Mug. And what is this? This is a, tell me what is this? A bucket? Can we say it's a bucket? Yes? Yes, we can write again here. This is a bucket. Another bucket. Okay? Yes. So, we have done this question. What things do you see in the picture? We see a wiper, a wash basin, a toothpaste holder, toothpaste stand, 2 buckets, 1 big bucket and 1 small bucket. Or we can say, I think it's a tub. Do you think it's a tub? This one? We can write here bucket also and tub also. Yes? Okay. This is a shower head. There's a cloth hanging on the hanger. There's a tap. Yes? There's a soap stand. So many things are we able to see here. Now, the next question is, can you see? See carefully this tap. Wait, I will erase all the things. And you just need to focus on this tap. Is the water dripping down from the tap? Yes. See? What we should do in this case? We should close the tap. And then this water will not come. And why should we close the tap? In order to save water. Water is very important. Water is needed in every aspect of life. Every day we need water. And why do we need water? We need water to take a bath. We need water to drink. We need water to cook. We need water to wipe and wash things. There are so many things that we can do with water, and without water, if there is not a single drop of water, will not survive. So water is important every day in our lives. Okay? Yes. That's why we should always save water, and whenever we see a running tap, we should quickly go and close that running tap. Yes? Okay, so we have answered this question. Do you remember to close the tap when you are not using it? Always remember, when you are not using the tap, close it in order to save the water, as water is very important to us, and if it's not there, we would not survive even a single day. Now, your favorite game, letter sounds. Okay. First one is U. U says. U also says up. Go umbrellas. But here U is saying uniform. Utensils. V says wa. Van. Vase. W says wo. Well. Wall. X says X-ray or xylophone. X says xylophone. Y says yak. Y says yak. Yo-yo. Yogurt. Z says zip. Zebra. Great. Okay. Now next one. Notice the initial sounds of the names of pictures in each row And what you need to do? Find the odd one out. What is this? Ship. S says sa. Ship. What is this? S says sa. Spoon. What is this? L says la. Leaf. This is the odd one out. S says sun. T says tomato. T says ta. 10. S says sun. T says ta. Tomato. T says ta. Ton. This is the odd one out. T says ta. Tree. P says pa. Parrot. P says pa. Pot. Which one is the odd one out? This one is the odd one out. T. Ta. Tree. Now color the pictures and the letters. What is this letter? T. T says ta. Tree. Table. Tap. Tomato. R says r. Rocket. Rat. Ring. Rose. You color these pictures. Okay. Now next one is let us think. You all know the alphabet song. Let us sing it while reading the letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, this is a difficult task. Sing it loudly for the capital letters and softly for the small letters. Means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes? Let us make puppets. Follow the instructions given by your teacher. Can you make puppets? Let us make 6 thick paper strips. These strips may be of any color. You take 6 thick paper strips. With the help of your teacher, draw faces of each family member on the paper. Take a paper and draw faces of your family members like this girl here has drawn. Then stick each picture on one end. Then you will take these paper strips and you will stick each picture on one end of the strip. The picture may help you. You may now use these as puppets and play with your friends. Okay, you also make these puppets and let me know in the comment section. Okay, in next video, we will cover our next chapter. We will start the next chapter. So, take care. Bye. See you in the next video.